Here we go, another all-day battery drain test. We are at 100% battery life. It is 7:03 a.m. as you can see, fully charged, taking the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus off the charger now. 100% battery life, yes, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. All right, so jumping into my display settings straight off the charger, time is now 7:08 a.m. We are still at 100% battery life. As you can see, I am using dark mode. That is just what I prefer using on my device. I do have the brightness at about 80% right now. I do try to keep it anywhere between 75% and 100%, depending on how bright I want it, depending on the situation during my day. I do have adaptive brightness turned off. I am using that extra brightness as well. I do have the motion smoothness at 120 Hertz to get that smooth scrolling throughout the device. I do have the screen mode at vivid and screen timeout at 10 minutes. So those are my display settings and what they are pretty much going to be like for the day. For those of you who are new to the channel, basically the way these all-day battery drain tests work, I'll be using the phone throughout the day with my own regular usage, and I'm a pretty heavy user. I'll be testing out a lot on this phone throughout the day to see how well the battery handles it. The way this works is every so many few hours, I'll be updating you all, letting you know what my usage has been like, what my screen on time is, and what my battery percentage is as well. Now keep in mind, everybody's usage is different. Not everybody will get the same results as me. This is based off of my own personal usage, but this is just to kind of give you an idea of what battery is like on the S23 Plus. Also keep in mind that I will be back and forth between a Wi-Fi connection and a 5G connection to keep this test as fair as possible, because not everybody can stay home and be connected to that Wi-Fi connection, or not everybody hangs out at Starbucks, and stays connected to that Wi-Fi connection, which does help save battery life as well. Just wanted to mention that I will be trying to keep this test as fair as possible for everyone. So with that said, I will see you all in a few hours. All right, so I am back currently recording on the S23 Plus. Before I go ahead and show you guys what my usage is and screen on time so far, we're about 3 hours later from this morning, a little past 10 o'clock, but I just wanted to do a quick 4K video test in case you guys missed my full 4K video. Currently recording 4K 30 with the front facing camera just here in the office, and also using those internal microphones as well. So let me know what y'all think. But I also wanted to take this opportunity to announce a little giveaway that I've partnered with my brother with, just to, give you guys something here in this video. And let's see, can I get it? Boom, that's right. We're going to be giving away some Funko Pops right here. Let me go ahead and switch over to the rear facing camera. Boom, so now on the rear facing camera at 4K, 30 frames per second, giving you a little test of this. But these are the Funko Pops that we are going to be giving away in this video. Rules are simple. All you got to do is just simply leave a comment down below in this video, letting us know which one of these you want. We will be selecting 2 winners, and then I'll have his Instagram page down in the description below as well, and also in the pinned comment in this video. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram and go to his giveaway post, letting him know which one of these you want as well. We will be picking a winner from his Instagram post and a winner from the comment section of this video as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Huge thanks to my brother for providing these to give away here on the channel. So again, make sure you go follow his Instagram and make sure to leave your comments, like I said, on both pages. And then you get to win one of these cool little collectibles for yourself, just to give you a close up on which ones we're giving away. Like I said, we're going to be picking 2 winners. Really excited to see who our winners are going to be for this giveaway. We will be announcing the winners on March 11th, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But as you can see, the time is now 8:12 a.m. So like I said, a little over 3 hours later from this morning, we are now at 84% battery life. So not doing too bad, but let's go ahead and go into my battery settings and see what my usage has been like so far and what my screen on time is. Okay, so making our way into my battery settings here. As you can see, we are at 1 hour and 45 minutes of screen on time. And this is my usage so far this morning: 46 minutes of YouTube, 11 minutes of KineMaster, which is my video editor. So I've actually been editing a little bit of 4K video on this device. Actually, the video that you guys are currently watching right now is all being edited on the Galaxy S23 Plus. So after each clip that I take, I transfer it over to this phone and just edit it straight on this device. So it will be doing more 4K video editing as the day goes on. A little bit of Google Play services, my gallery, used some Twitter, Gmail, played a little bit of Marvel Champions, was on YouTube Studio for a little bit. And yeah, so this has been my usage so far this morning. We are just getting started. Like I said, an hour and 45 minutes of screen on time. Now do keep in mind that screen on time is not everything. You also got to take into account when I am using this phone to take a phone call, or even when I'm listening to music or watching content, using those speakers is using up battery as well. And I'm also on that 5G connection as well, which is using up a little bit more battery. So just keep all that in mind as well. But again, 10:14 a.m. I will be catching up with you all in another few hours. All right, so I am back, and I actually just want to share a few pictures with you to show you how good the cameras are on the S23 Plus. And I actually took these pictures a few days ago while I was out taking pictures for my Galaxy S23 Ultra camera review. And the cameras on this phone are actually pretty good. Look at that. And I was able to get some pretty good shots. I had a good time taking pictures with this phone right here. But yeah, these are just a few shots just to kind of show you what these cameras are capable of. And I tried to take that one was actually zoomed all the way in, I believe 30 times, if I'm not mistaken. Got ultra wide angle lens right there. Actually, that's the main lens. This is the ultra wide angle lens right here. Got a picture of this big fake birthday cake. Got Marilyn Monroe right there. Got the big hotel right there. Another ultra wide angle lens picture. And then there's this one as well. And I really like the way the colors just pop in these photos, as you can see right there. So definitely some good performing cameras here on the Galaxy S23 Plus. But as you can see, the time is now 2:08 p.m. We are now at 46% battery. So we're actually not doing too bad at all. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings so we can see what my usage has been like so far. Okay, so jumping into my usage here, as you can see, we are now at 4 hours and 44 minutes of screen on time with 46% battery life left. So actually not doing too bad at all in my opinion, especially because this is a 4,700 milliamp battery, and that 1080p display is also helping that battery last a little longer as well, because the resolution is not as high as what we have with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But this is what my usage has been like so far today. 59 minutes of YouTube, so about an hour, 32 minutes with the camera there, and that 32 minutes is actually all 4K video recording. I recorded a lot of B-roll for my Galaxy S23 Ultra review. So if you see the B-roll in that review video, it was all recorded with the S23 Plus. So 32 minutes of 4K video recording, not bad at all. 20 minutes of Apex Legends, we got some Chrome browser there. Twitter, 23 minutes. KineMaster, some more 4K video editing as well. And yeah, this has been the rest of my usage for the day. I did have a quick phone call a little earlier. Got messages, Gmail, YouTube Studio, Champions, Google Play Store. And yeah, so as you can see, my usage is definitely a lot more than earlier. And then it's going to continue on for the rest of the day. But again, 4 hours and 44 minutes of screen on time. Time is now 2:09 p.m. We're at 46% battery life left. Really curious to see how far this phone's going to get us today, but you already know I'll be back in another few hours. Got him. So I got to say that gaming on this Galaxy S23 Plus has been great. It's been an amazing experience because of how smooth gameplay is on here. I'm getting shot by somewhere. I'm not even paying attention anymore. But yeah, it's been such a smooth experience on this device right here. Hold on, let me get this guy. Let me get this guy. Come on, come on. Got him. But it's been such a smooth experience, and the display is more than big enough. You would think, you know, oh, it's a smaller display than what we have with the S23 Ultra, but no, this is still the Plus model. So the display size is still perfect for gaming, at least I think, in my opinion. So performance is great on here. I don't feel any overheating at all. I've been gaming on this device today and it's been great. Such a smooth experience. And I love the way the colors just pop in this game right here. Currently playing Apex Legends. But anyways, just kind of wanted to show this off a little bit to you guys in case you haven't seen any videos on gaming on this device. If you want to see a full video with me gaming on this phone, trying out different games, just let me know down in the comment sections. But we are just, let's see, let me go home. And we are just about coming up on almost 4.5 hours from the last time I updated you guys. As you can see, it is 6:18 p.m. We are now down to 16% battery life. That's how much we got left for the rest of the day. So actually not doing too bad considering I did take this off the charger at 7 a.m. this morning and have been heavily using this device. But let's go ahead and go into my settings. All right, so check this out. We are at 7 hours and 21 minutes of screen on time. So not doing too bad at all whatsoever. Still got 15% battery life left. We probably won't make it super late into the night, but I'm sure we'll make it maybe another 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on my usage, how I plan on using this phone for the rest of the night. But as you can see, was a little bit more active with YouTube there, hour and 53 minutes, a little bit more Apex Legends, got the camera, Twitter, 32 minutes, KineMaster, a little bit more 4K video editing, Chrome browser for 15 minutes. I did leave for a while and I decided to use the maps to see how that would drain the battery. So that was active for 19 minutes and maps does use up quite a bit of battery life. So that's actually pretty good right there. The gallery, 20 minutes, messages, 17 minutes. And yeah, this is, I did have another phone call as well. Not a super long phone call, but I need to go ahead and mention that because that is part of this battery test. And Fortnite, it does say 4 minutes, but honestly, it was just updating the game that whole time. And it's probably still updating right now in the background. I didn't even get to play it yet. So I do want to try to play it on this device. It's just updating at the moment. But yeah, so this has been my usage from the morning up to now. And honestly, I think we're doing pretty good. The battery has held up pretty well. We still got 7 hours and 21 minutes of screen on time. So not bad at all, but y'all already know where this is going. I will update you in another, like I'm not gonna say few hours, I really don't know. I'll update you when this gets to about maybe 4 or 3%. So we still have some battery juice left to be able to show you what my final usage is and our final screen on time. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, and just like that, I am back and look at where we are at. It is 7:17 p.m. We are at 3% battery life. I didn't want to let it drain any lower than that. That way I can at least be able to show you everything I have going on here as far as my usage goes. And then our final screen on time, which you can see right there, is 7 hours and 56 minutes. So with that extra 3% right there, we could probably get 8 hours of screen on time on this device. So not too bad actually for 4,700 milliamp battery to get from 7 in the morning to a little past 7 at night. With almost 8 hours of screen on time, that's actually pretty good. And I'm sure most people aren't going to be using their phone this heavily throughout their entire day. So this will definitely be an all-day phone for a lot of people. Now going to my usage here, as you can see, it almost looks the same as earlier. Like I said, I mean, it hasn't been that long since I last updated you guys down to 3% battery life, but this has been my usage for the entire day. I will go ahead and just slowly scroll through so you can see what my final usage is. Not looking too bad here. Almost down to the bottom. And this is my usage. So yeah, this has been an all-day battery drain test with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. What do y'all think? What do you think about battery life on this device? Do you think it should have lasted longer than it did? Or do you think that's a pretty some pretty fair usage, some pretty fair battery life coming from this device right here? If you have one for yourself, how's battery life treating you? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.